Hello beautiful people, welcome to the Blender Cafe. Today in this quick tutorial I will show you how easily we can import from the 3D viewer, which is a built-in software for viewing 3D object inside Windows, and we can download this from Microsoft stores inside Windows. It is its own library, 3D library here, and it has many models for many objects. Just search the name and it will give you models. For example, I want to search boat and it will give me these model of boats. Just search anything else, tree, anything, and they will give you models for that. How can we import this into the Blender? Just select any file, for example this file, and save the file on your PC. So just save it anywhere. After saving it, just go in the Blender to file, import, and import the GLB format file, and this is the file which we saved on our PC. Just open it, and yeah, we have to scale it down. Okay, it's too high. Yeah, so this is how easily you can import any model from the 3D viewer software into the Blender, and you can further then edit this mesh by going to the edit mode, and you can edit the vertices and faces or anything you want to do with this model. But we have plenty of models at the 3D viewer, and we can easily import those models into the Blender, and we can use this in our project. Thank you. That's all for this video, and if you like this video, just subscribe to the channel, and soon I will upload much more videos, similar simple short videos. I hope it will help you in your projects and in your learning. Thank you. Bye bye.